Introducing Sunjoy's Fleetwood Outdoor Kitchen Series, where durability meets style to elevate your outdoor culinary experience. Crafted from robust powder-coated steel with a natural wood-grain finish, this kitchen is engineered to withstand the elements for years of enjoyment. Accessing your cooking essentials is a breeze with the flap-up door featuring easy lift gas springs for a smooth open and close every time. Stay cool and comfortable with ventilation mesh windows while keeping your spices organized with a convenient spice rack. With endless customization options, including cabinets, shelves, and a kitchen sink, tailor your outdoor oasis to suit your exact needs. Elevate your outdoor oasis with the Fleetwood Kitchen Sink, crafted with premium stainless steel for durability and longevity. Need extra space? The double-door cabinet provides ample storage to keep everything organized and within reach. Enhance your outdoor kitchen with a Fleetwood shelf, featuring 3-tier open storage shelves and a sleek stainless steel countertop for easy cleanup. Guaranteed to be your ultimate outdoor kitchen companion, the Fleetwood Prep Station offers mess-free prep with its stainless steel countertop and included cutting board. Experience seamless setup, hassle-free assembly, and endless possibilities to customize your outdoor kitchen with Sunjoy's Fleetwood series. Start cooking up memorable moments under the open sky today.